This is this recipe. Sausage gnocchi skillet. Looks pretty good. Cut veggies, cook meat, cook gnocchi, put all things together in pot, pan thingy, eat. Okay, alright, we can manage this. Yay, team. Veggies. Okay, alright, there we go. Veggies have been cleaned. Alright, let's cut up garlic. And turn on the thingy and start cooking things. Garlic. This is gonna take me a minute. You think this is a good mince, guys? Or should I do it more? It's good enough? Okay. Alright, I'll trust the cook fellers. Alright. Put plate. Alright, there's our garlic. And alright, tomatoes. Alright. Wants me to have them? Have baby tomatoes. Alright. In lengthwise or in any way I choose. I'll go lengthwise. Alright, there we go. We have cut up the things that need cutting. I believe that's it. Alright. Pan, beef. Maybe I move the cutting board then. I don't think. Heated. Alright, so oil. Oil. I should probably open this. There we go. Try to not have it like burst open. There we go. Beefiness. Okay. Oil. Alright, beef into pan. Without putting plastic into pan. It smells so good. There we go. I think that's just about done. Cecil. Beef. Alright, here's gnocchi. Bag of gnocchi. Okay, butter. And it's gonna be kind of beefy too, because this is like a beefy pan. Yum. That looks like a good amount. There we go. Here we go. Alright, gnocchi. More burro. Okay. There's the burro. And then sausage. We'll do the garlic. Yum. Add the garlic and mix that up. Yum. This actually looks like, initially I thought with just the gnocchi it was looking like a small portion, but this is actually looking pretty solid. Trying to not have the cream explode. Meters. Spinach. And pesto. This smells so good. All right, we give it a few minutes. There we go. Until the spinach gets a little bit wilty. All right, I think it's done. All right. Look at this. Look at that. That looks amazing. All right, so step one, we got to sprinkle some of the cheese on top. This is 1 serving in the pan, 1 serving on the plate. John Lennon. I was trying to look like Salt Bae, but all right, we'll sprinkle some cheese on top. Hell yeah, sprinkly, sprinkly. All right, we managed. All right, and a little bit of salt. We have our gnocchi. I'm not knocking it over, which is really good. Everything looks really good. All right, let's try this. Let's get us a little bit of everything in there. Oh my god, this is so good. Mmm. 4 steps. 7 ingredients. 4 steps. This tastes amazing. Y'all know how picky I am. And it has cream in it and I like it.